Just now we went to Central and now just head back to Central. So next time when you come to Hong Kong, make sure you also check out one of the outlying islands that you can take the ferry in Central. And that is the ferry that we took just now. It is very hot in Hong Kong today. 35 degrees Celsius, very fine weather, but too hot to survive. And it is just May, and I can't imagine how it will be like during August and also July. And here is another pier, pier number 6, that brings you to Ping Chau and other outlying islands in Hong Kong. And there is a few piers, and there's also one more over there that takes you to Lemma Island, 大嶼山. So we just went back to Central and now going to take our cars and see if we would explore other area in Hong Kong Island. Hello. So you can see they make it into Hong Kong fast food stores. Fishball, sausages and egg waffles. 雞蛋仔. This is where you take the Star Ferries back to Tsim Sha Tsui. So now looking at Tsim Sha Tsui, and that is the Star Ferry. 你好 ，Hello。 That is the Hong Kong Observatory wheel, if I remember its name correctly, $20. And then you can see the views of Hong Kong on the wheel. Hello Thailand, hello Indonesia. This is the Star Ferry Pier, pier number 7. So make sure you take the Star Ferries and also the tram when you're in Hong Kong. And it is one of the cheapest means of transport in Hong Kong. That is just around 2 Hong Kong dollar or 3 Hong Kong dollar. So now let's go up. Sorry. So we are heading to IFC this way, and then we parked our car here. So the AIA Observatory wheel. We saw so many of you from different countries, from France, from Italy. The temperature here, when you look at the skies, it looks really nice, especially when you take photos. But the weather is too hot and you sweat a lot. So that will be around 35 degrees Celsius. And here we are looking at the Central Pier. And also different skyscrapers in Hong Kong. We hope that the pandemic can end very soon and you can come to Hong Kong. So this is the tallest building on the Hong Kong island, IFC. Many people here. Just now we went to Cheung Chau. Today is a public holiday in Hong Kong. It is the Buddha's birthday today. But at the same time, people also celebrate the Cheung Chau Bun Festival, and also another one would be the Tam Kong birthday today. but because of the pandemic, it was scaled down. Only traditional ceremonies was done, but not the lion dances and also the parade. I personally enjoy the parade a lot. Others skyscrapers in Hong Kong too. The first skyscrapers in Hong Kong, the Jardine House, and also the post office, not a skyscrapers, but it is going to be demolished soon. And then HSBC building and also the Bank of China building. You can see the two guns here. So actually it is a feng shui thing because the Bank of China tower looks like a blade that has bad feng shui to HSBC. So they built two guns here facing the blade. So here the Aia Observatory will, at the other side, that would be Wan Chai. And many people are taking pictures here. I'm not sure what they are taking. Okay, I have no idea what is something so special today. Many of them, like 5, 7 of them, are taking photos facing the side. It's very hot today. Okay, so that's why many people are inside Apple stores. One of the reasons to check out the phones, and also it's air conditioned. So here the General's Post Office that will be demolished soon. Okay, so now I will be head back to the car park and see if I will explore other parts of Hong Kong Island today, because we're going to come all the long way to Hong Kong Island. So probably we'll also do some shoppings in some old shop. So stay tuned and also check out our stories about our journey in Cheung Chau today. Today is the Cheung Chau Bun Festival, one of the big festivals in Hong Kong. And we will have one video about Cheung Chau Festival during the pandemic today. So I will see you later. Before we end, check out this new, we call it the parking meter, the car meter. This is the new one, and you can actually download this app. And then if you're in Cheung Chau, you can still add value at the time. So this is some new features about the car parking meters in Hong Kong. Okay, so I will see you very soon. Bye bye.